Welcome to my green sanctuary. I want to inspire with the power of sustainable gardening and how it can contribute to a greener and more resilient future. Sustainable gardening is a powerful way to reduce our carbon footprint. By embracing organic techniques, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity, we can create thriving ecosystems that support a healthy planet. With resource-efficient irrigation systems, like rainwater harvesting, we can conserve water and reduce water waste to ensure that every drop counts. Additionally, by enriching a soil with compost and organic matter, we nurture the soil's health and fertility, creating an earth-friendly foundation for our plants. Through organic gardening, we become stewards of our local ecosystems. By avoiding harmful chemicals, we foster resilience against extreme weather events, pests, and diseases. Also, by creating habitat and food sources for pollinators, birds, and beneficial insects, we contribute to a harmonious and diverse natural environment, supporting the health and vitality of a local flora and fauna. Environmentally conscious gardening is not just an individual effort, it's a community movement. By sharing your knowledge, seeds, resources, and harvested produce with our neighbors, we foster a sense of empowerment. Through engaging in sustainable gardening, we establish a deep bond with nature, alleviate stress levels, and embrace physical activity as an opportunity. It's a rewarding experience that nourishes both our bodies and souls. Let's sow the seeds of change together and seize the power of regenerative gardening practices to create a greener future. By nurturing the earth, cultivating resilience, promoting ecological balance and biodiversity, conserving resources, and connecting with our communities, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come.